Welcome to 99 Burris Street in the heart of Hamilton's St. Clair neighborhood. This double brick beauty, built in 1906, is more than just a home. It's a piece of Hamilton history, thoughtfully updated for you to come create your next home. Inside, you'll find more than 3,000 square feet of finished living space surrounded by character details like bay windows, soaring ceilings, and the beautiful fireplaces, which blend with the modern updates, including a new boiler, ductless heat and air conditioning pumps for comfortable climate control, as well as a fully renovated basement suite with its own kitchen, laundry, and separate entrance. Enjoy the formal living room with solid oak pocket doors leading into the formal dining room with glorious character details, which opens onto the massive eat-in kitchen which overlooks the backyard. With this much space, you can entertain your entire family and friends. With a full bathroom, large laundry/storage room, sunroom to sit and enjoy the front gardens, and a large enclosed mudroom, this home was built for those busy day-to-day moments. Heading upstairs, you'll find 5 bedrooms. Most have oversized closets for the era, and the character built-in surrounding the old fireplace makes for the perfect home office space. Up another level, there is an entire retreat perfect for multi-generational living, in-laws, or even rental potential. It's just waiting for the new owners to make the most of this bonus living space. Downstairs, there's a large suite with a separate entrance, offering a full eat-in kitchen, rec room, partially finished bathroom with laundry, plus room for a 6th bedroom, as well as the large utility room for extra storage. Step outside to your manicured gardens with a wraparound deck just off of the kitchen, which leads to the gazebo, and a detached garage off of the laneway, which could be used as a studio or a workshop. Walk along the side of the home through your privacy garden to the stunning front gardens, where you can enjoy the classic Hamilton front porch while you relax and take it all in. And when it comes to location, this one is tough to beat. You're just a short stroll to Gage Park, perfect for festivals, skating, and those long summer days. Ottawa Street is minutes away, where you can explore shops, cafes, and the Saturday market. And you're not far from downtown Hamilton, with its restaurants, music venues, and GO station. 99 Burris Street isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, blending heritage charm, modern conveniences, and it's all within a neighborhood that has everything you need. If you have any questions or would like to book a tour, let's connect.